My name is Robert, and I have a passion for automotive and for filmmaking. So I decided to marry the two, and out of that union, Southpaw Autoworks was born. My mission with this YouTube channel is simple: instruct and inspire. Not only show how to do it, but also demonstrate that anyone can do it. The Southpaw Autoworks channel serves thousands of people worldwide every month. I would love to see this channel reach new heights and serve even more people. Without further ado, let's cover the number of ways that you can get involved. For starters, you could share this channel with your favorite automotive forum, Facebook group, or any other group that could benefit from it. Perhaps you have a family member, a friend, or even a coworker that would enjoy this type of content. Spreading the word would be extremely helpful and very appreciated. Product links can be found in the video description of every video. The product links are supplied in order to give you easy access to the parts and the tools featured in each of these videos. I believe this makes for a better viewing experience, as it makes it extra easy for viewers to participate with the project at hand. And it's a way for the Southpaw Autoworks channel to generate some money at no additional cost to the viewers. Here's how it works. Anytime you click on one of these product links and you happen to make a purchase, the Southpaw Autoworks channel will happen to make a small commission at no additional cost to you. This is a great way for you to get the parts and the tools that you need while simultaneously supporting this YouTube channel. For those of you who are interested in providing monetary support, I've set up two membership pages, one powered by Patreon and the other powered by YouTube. And you can make a one-time donation through PayPal. You can find out more information in the video description down below. So there you have it, all the ways that you can get involved to help this YouTube channel grow. Thank you so much for your time and your consideration. Thank you for being a part of this online community. I'm truly grateful that you're here.